A dull blade or an underpowered motor doesn't wait for a good time either, and neither should you. Whether it's demolition work, cutting through metal, or tackling a stubborn framing job, having the right saw makes all the difference. Today we're counting down the 5 best reciprocating saws on the market, the ones that actually deliver when it matters most. Let's get into it. Number 5 is the DEWALT DWE305 Corded Reciprocating Saw. If you need raw cutting power without worrying about battery life, DEWALT's corded option delivers exactly that. This reciprocating saw runs on a powerful 12-amp motor paired with a variable speed trigger, reaching up to 2,900 strokes per minute with a generous 1 1/8 inch stroke length. That combination means fast, efficient cuts through even demanding materials, whether you're demoing framing or tackling heavy-duty wood-cutting jobs. What sets the saw apart is its 4-position blade clamp, which allows for flush cutting and gives you flexibility across a range of applications. The keyless, lever-action blade clamp makes swapping blades quick and hassle-free, so you're not wasting time mid-project fumbling with tools. Being corded means you get consistent, uninterrupted power for as long as the job takes. This is a solid pick for anyone who prioritizes dependable power over portability. If your work happens near an outlet and you want a saw that won't slow down, the DEWALT DWE305 is a dependable, no-nonsense choice. Number 4 is the BLACK+DECKER BDCR20C Cordless Reciprocating Saw. For those who value freedom of movement over corded power, this 20V Max cordless option strikes a nice balance between portability and performance. It's built around a solid 3000 SPM motor with a variable speed trigger, giving you real control as you move through different materials and cutting angles. The tool-free blade change system is a genuine time saver, letting you swap blades quickly without hunting for a wrench. An electric brake adds a layer of control, helping the blade stop cleanly rather than coasting after you release the trigger. The pivoting shoe is another standout feature, letting you adjust for extra stability and control depending on the cutting position. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this saw is designed for users who need to move around a job site without being tethered to an outlet. It's a solid, no-frills cordless option for wood-cutting tasks where convenience matters as much as raw power. Number 3 is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Part of the broader CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless system, this saw is a strong choice for anyone already invested in that battery platform or looking to start. It features a high-performance motor with a 1-inch stroke length, plus a full variable speed trigger ranging up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, giving you meaningful control across a variety of materials, including wall applications. The tool-free blade release keeps blade changes quick and simple, while the compact 14.5-inch body makes this saw easy to maneuver in tight spaces between studs, a real advantage for wall and framing work. The contoured, over-molded handle adds comfort during extended use, no matter what angle you're working from. It's also compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, a nice bonus for keeping your workspace organized. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this is a well-rounded cordless saw for anyone tackling wall-focused projects who wants portability without sacrificing control. Number 2 is the Makita XRJ04Z Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Built for metal cutting and general versatility, the Makita XRJ04Z brings genuine engineering refinement to the cordless saw category. It's powered by Makita's 18V LXT lithium-ion battery system, known for fast charging, and delivers 2,800 strokes per minute with a long 1 1/4 inch stroke length that boosts cutting efficiency on tougher materials. What really stands out here is the refined crank mechanism, which minimizes blade deflection and cuts down on vibration, a detail that makes a real difference during extended use. The tool-less blade change system speeds up swaps significantly, and the large 2-finger variable speed trigger adds a level of control that feels natural in the hand. At just 8.3 pounds with the battery installed, it's compact and ergonomic at only 19 1/8 inches long, helping reduce operator fatigue. For anyone already in the Makita 18V LXT ecosystem, this saw is an easy addition that delivers speed, precision, and comfort in one lightweight package. Number 1 is the SKIL SPT44A00 13-amp Corded Reciprocating Saw. Topping the list is a saw that combines raw power with genuine comfort, something not every reciprocating saw manages to pull off. The SKIL 13 amp saw brings a tough motor built to handle all kinds of applications, and it backs that power with a variable speed trigger that lets you dial in control for different materials. What truly sets this saw apart is its patented buzzkill technology, which suppresses vibration up to 35% better than competing saws. That's not a small detail. Less vibration means less fatigue and more control, especially during long cutting sessions. The secure, toolless blade clamp is built to withstand harsh job site demands, and the oversized trigger adds flexibility, letting you cut comfortably from multiple positions and angles. With 13 amps of consistent corded power and standout vibration control, this SKIL saw earns its place at the top. It's a dependable, comfortable performer for wood-cutting tasks that demand both power and precision. That's our countdown of the 5 best reciprocating saws out there. Whether you need raw corded power or cordless freedom, one of these picks is ready to handle your next cutting job. Thanks for watching.